Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by pressing Ctrl+Shift+S to launch the snip overlay. This is the single keystroke you need. Once it appears, select the mode, rectangular for quick crops or window for an app-specific grab, so you control the region. If you use OneDrive or Snip and Sketch, make sure they're running so the capture saves or appears in history. If nothing happens, try pressing the keys more deliberately. Some keyboards require the Windows key to be held briefly before Shift+S. You now shape the screenshot. Click and drag to draw the rectangle or trace a freeform outline, and release to finalize. Once done, the image is copied to the clipboard automatically, so you can paste into an email or editor. Paste with Ctrl+V. Make sure to watch for the small toast notification that confirms save to Snip and Sketch or OneDrive. If you want a different format, open the notification to edit and export. If you need multiple tries, press Windows+Shift+S again immediately. To finish, open the floating notification to edit, annotate, and save the capture as PNG or JPEG. This preserves quality. You can also paste directly into Word, Paint, or chat with Ctrl+V without opening an app. If the image didn't copy, check Windows settings. Enable clipboard history and Snip and Sketch notifications, and confirm OneDrive isn't intercepting or blocking screenshots. If problems persist, reboot or update Windows so the keyboard shortcut is recognized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.